Want to change the histogram display mode on your Canon DSLR? Most users don't know how to switch between different views for better photo analysis. A histogram is a graphical representation of the tonal values of your photo, basically how bright or dark the pixels are. In this video, I'll show you how to switch histogram modes on your Canon DSLR. Let's change it right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Next, go to the playback icon too. Now look here. Here, you will find the histogram display option. Now press the set button. Here you will get the two options, like brightness and RGB. Now select which mode you want. Like I'm gonna select RGB. Just select RGB, and that's it. This is how you can change histogram modes on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.